Let's make Holi Hamper. Hello, welcome to my channel. First take any waste box or cardboard. Now fix them like this. It's done. Then cover them with white paper like this. Then take ice cream stick and cut like this. Now it's time to decorate the box with ice cream stick. Do like this and it's done. Then take any two color paper and fold it in zigzag style like this and make a beautiful flower. Make second flower, same but different in size. Then take a white paper, cut like this and draw like this. Now take two stick and flower, attach them like this and it's done. Now take a two beautiful pots and fill them with holy color. Now it's time to decorate them. Take a plastic sheet and cover the pot. Also decorate with beautiful flower and it's ready. Now all items are ready. Let's decorate the box. Two flowers with happy holy letter with pots. Also add pichkari. Now put all the items in the box. And it's ready, our holy hamper.